just thought I'd give you an update on how things are going. That was actually planted, if you look at the upload date, I know I only let it out the other day, but that's been in there nearly a week now. It's looking good. Got a bit of wilt over here on the leaves that grew in the original setup that it grew in before it was sold. So if I go around there and give it a water around that side, those soggy leaves will come back. And here's the we got lettuce leaf, a little baby lettuce sprouts popping now. There's a few there to see. That's settled in, looking good. That's looking good. Basil's looking real good. I haven't had any more problems with bugs eating it. And yeah. So all systems go. Oh, there's another lettuce. Another one there. I've also got some shallots. Once they're cut, the ends of the shallots can go in. It's filling up pretty quickly with things. Thanks for watching.